How to propagate succulents from leaves, a guide to easy propagation techniques. Succulents are a popular type of plant that are loved for their unique appearance and ease of care. One of the great things about succulents is that they are easy to propagate from leaves, making it possible to create new plants from existing ones. Leaf propagation. This method involves removing a healthy leaf from a mature succulent and allowing it to form roots in a new plant. Simply twist the leaf gently until it breaks away from the stem. Leave the leaf to dry out for a few days before placing it on top of some well-draining soil. Water sparingly and wait for roots in a new plant to form. Stem propagation. This method entails cutting a section of a mature succulent stem and planting it in soil. Choose a healthy stem and cut it cleanly with a sharp knife. Allow the cutting to dry out for a few days before planting it in well-draining soil. Water sparingly and wait for roots and new growth to appear. Succulents that are easy to propagate from leaves. Echeveria, Sedum, Crassula, Kalanchoe, Aloe. Propagating succulents from leaves can be a fun and rewarding hobby that allows you to grow your own unique collection of plants.